Good morning, students. In the previous class, we were discussing about exponents and powers. In that, we have completed exercise number exercise 2.1. In that, we have completed 3 of the examples, isn't it? Now, today we shall start the 4th example. That is evaluate the first one, 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to minus 3, 2 raised to minus 4. So you have to evaluate, means you have to find the answer of it. Okay. So now, as I told you, it is a to the power minus m is what? 1 upon a to the power m. It means if the power is negative, and if that power needs to be positive, then what you have to do? You have to reciprocal it. Then the power will be positive. So now here you could see here, just reciprocal the numbers. So 2 to the power minus 4 is there, bring it to the numerator and it will become positive. Now 8 to the power minus 1 is there, it will become positive. 5 to the power minus 3 is there, if it goes to denominator it will become positive. Now the first step, what we did, we just reciprocated the numbers. Now 2 to the power 4. So now just write as it is. So this 8 means, what are the factors of 8? Prime factors. 2 into 2 into 2. Means this can be written as 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3. So this can be written as 2 to the power 3. And 5 to the power 3 as it is. Now, by looking at these two, so there is a law, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is what? A to the power m minus n. Now you can see 2 to the power 4, 2 to the power 3. Means the bases are same and the powers are different. When the bases are same and the powers are different, then subtract the power of the denominator from the power of the numerator. Remaining is 5 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 to the power 3 means 5 to the power 3. 2. 5 to the power 3 means what? 5 is multiplied by 3 times. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So answer is 1. 2 upon 125 is the answer. 2 upon 125 is the answer. So here what we have to remember? You need to remember the formulas, the properties. Understood? Okay. Now we'll do the next example. Now the second example. Okay. What is the second example? Five to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power minus 1 into 6 to the power minus 1. So as I told you, To remove the negative sign, what you have to do? You have to reciprocate it. Now, being this multiplication, you cannot cancel anything. So just multiply the numbers. 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, that is 1. 5 2s are 10, 10 6s are 60. That's it. This is the answer. 1 upon 60 is the answer. Now we'll do the next example, that is fifth one. Find the value of m for which find m for which 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. So, in this example, first of all, write them in the proper form. 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Okay now? Now 5 to the power m. Now as it is negative, make it positive. So how to make it positive? Just bring it to the numerator. Just bring it to the numerator. And other things keep as it is. Other things keep as it is. Now you know the formula. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. M plus n. So here the bases are same and the powers are different. Then what you have to do? Add the powers. Add the powers. Now there is another law. There is another law. When any equation and in the both sides in LHS and RHS, if the bases are same, so then the powers must be equal. So in this case, so now you can see the powers are same. It means bases are same, so the powers must be equal. It means m plus 3 is equal to 5. M plus 3 is equal to 5. That is m is equal to how much? 5 minus 3. That is m equal to 2. This is, so such examples will definitely come in the examination. Because you need to concentrate in such type of examples for the exam purpose. Okay now? So we'll do the next example. Now the next one, that is sixth one. Now sixth one, again evaluate. Now this is the example. Now as I told you, if the power is negative, what you have to do? Whatever thing it is there, just reverse it. Write the reciprocal of it, then what you get? You get the positive number, that is 3 upon 1 to the power, minus become plus, minus. Same way 4 upon 1 to the power 1. So minus 1. Power is minus 1. Okay now? First let us solve in this bracket. 3 to the power 1 means 3, minus 4 to the power 1 means 4. Minus 1 as it is. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 to the power minus 1. So what it indicates? So I told you in the beginning, previously, that if the power is negative, or if the power is, first of all, make it positive. Okay, let us make the power as negative. Let us make the power as positive. So 1 upon minus 1. Now the power becomes plus. See, you can write even plus 1. Okay. So now 1 upon, so this minus will come here 1. So 1 upon 1 is 1 only. That is minus 1 only. Otherwise, I told you one thing. If the power is odd number, and the base is negative, the result will be always negative only. And if the power is even number, and the base is again negative, the result will be positive only. That we have to keep in mind. So the answer will be minus 1. So the next example. Okay. Now look at the example. Now what is again the power? That is minus. The power is minus, so make it positive. So to make it positive, what you have to do? Reverse the number. 5 upon 8. Okay. 5 upon 8 raised to 4. So what we did now? Just first of all, what we did? We made the powers as positive. Okay, now look here. 8 to the power 7 divided by 5 to the power 7. You can write like this. You know the same thing. 5 to the power 4, so 8 to the power 4. Now we'll just reassemble it. We can write like this. Now you know the formula here and here. That is 8 to the power 7 minus 4 into 5 to the power 4 minus 7. So 8 to the power 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 to the power 4 minus 7 is minus 3. So this is, now this could be, the question is evaluate. It means you have to find the answer for it. So now 8 to the power 3 as it is. So 5 to the power 3 can be written as the denominator, so that will become positive. Okay now? So now 8 to the power 3 is how much? 8 will be multiplied 3 times. 8 8 are 64, 64 8 is how much? 5 3 times. 64 8 is 32, 5 1 2. So 5 1 2, and this one is 1 2 5. So this is the answer. This is the answer. This way you have to do this example. So now let us do the next example. That is 7th example. The last question of the first exercise. Simplify. Simplify. Okay. Now this is the example. Simplify. Means wherever it is possible, cancel it, and wherever it is not possible, don't cancel it. Okay. Now 5 2s are 5 5s are. Okay now. Cancel it now. So what remains here? 5 into t to the power minus 4. Just take it back up. So it will become plus 8. So what remains? 5 to the power minus 3 into 2. 2 remains here. Next step. 5 as it is. If nothing is there, 1 is there. Now take this 3 to up. What it becomes? It becomes positive. If it is negative and it comes up, it becomes positive. Now, how much it is? T minus 4 plus 8 is how much? That is plus 4. What remains? 2. So 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 4 divided by 2. Sometime if you want to write clearly, 5 to the power 4 is how much? 625. If you multiply 5 4 times, the answer will be 625. This can be the last answer. Okay. This is how this example will be done. And the last example. Now, second example. 3 to the power minus 5, 10 to the power minus 5 into 125 divided by 5 to the power minus 7 into 6 to the power minus 5. Okay now. Okay, now first of all, write all the numbers in prime numbers. So 3 is a prime number. There is no need to write as it is, minus 5. 10 can be written as 5 2s are 10, minus 5 as it is. 125 can be written as 5 cubed. Okay. Now next, 5 into 5 into 5 is 125. So 125 can be written as in power form, that is 5 cube. So this is already in power form. 6 can be written as 3 into 2, that is raised to minus 5. 3 2s are 6, so minus 5. The next step, 3 to the power 5 is there, write as it is. Now, as we know the formula, that is a into b to the power m is equal to what? A to the power m into b to the power m. As we know this formula, according to this formula, this power belongs to these two numbers, that is 5 to the power minus 5 into 2 to the power minus 5, and 5 to the power 3 is already there. So 5 to the power minus 7 into 3 to the power minus 5 into 2 to the power minus 5. Now wherever it is possible that you can cancel it. Now this cancels this cancels this, same thing is there, so you can cancel it. Now what remains now? 5 to the power minus 5 into 5 to the power 3 divided by 5 to the power minus 7. This is the remaining. So now again you know the formula, a to the power m into a to the power n, that is a to the power m plus n divided by 5 to the power minus 7. So 5 to the power minus 2 divided by 5 to the power minus 7. Again you know the formula, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. So that is 5 to the power minus 2 minus 2. When it comes up, it becomes what? Plus 7. So what happens? 5 to the power 5 remains. So the answer is 5 to the power 5. So this is the answer what we get after solving the example. Thus we have completed the first exercise of exponents and powers. Exponents and powers. So now we move to the next part of the exponents and powers, that is use of exponents to express small numbers in standard form. So standard form, first of all we need to understand what do we mean by standard form. So we need to understand what do we mean by standard form. That is okay. What is that? Express small numbers in standard form. Express small numbers in standard form. Now, for example, 121 is there, first number. Now, how to express this number in the form of standard form? Now I will write some example. Afterwards I will explain you. How and what is the definition and what is the method of standard form. So now 121. So it can be written as 1.21 into 10. Now, if there is no point in any number, if there is no point in a decimal point in any of the number, given number, then always assume this number will be here. After the number, the point will be there. So now, just check it, how many points this decimal point moved? 1 and 2. Now it moved here, 1 and 2, it moved here. So it moved two numbers from right to left. So it means two numbers it moved. So it can be written as plus 2. 1.21 into 10 to the power 2. This is how a number can be written in the simpler form. Let us look at another number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. Because this is a number. Now, how to write it? First of all, whatever number is there, 6 point and write it. So what we did? We have taken the decimal point after only single digit. After taking only single digit. 6.7893 into 10 raised to how much it is? Now the point is, understand this point will be here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This mode, the point is mode for digits. So the 10 to the power 4. 10 to the power 4. Let us understand another example. Now the number is 73.23. 73.23. Now 7.323 into 10 to the power. Now, where is the point now? The point is here. And how many digits it moved? It moved from here to here. Only 1 point. It moved from only 1 point. So this is 10 to the power 1. Another number. 0.663. Now the number is 0.663. 0.663. Now I will write this number. 6.63. 6.63 into 10 to the power. Now look here. Now in the above examples, the point moved from right to left. Now, how the point is moved now? It is already in the left side. Now it left to right. It means how many points it moved? It moved here only 1 point. This is -1. The power will be negative. Another number will take. Now this is a big number. 31236.73. Now again 3.123673. Now this point moved from here to here it is. Now right to left. How many points it moved? 1, 2, 3, 4 points. Another example. Now look here. Now 0.000312. So this could be written as 3.12 into 10 to the power. Now the point is here, it moved from here to here. How many numbers it moved? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now it will be negative. Means if the decimal point move from left to right, the power will be negative. If the point moves from right to left, the power will be positive. You just remember this thing, and in the next class I will explain you what is the basic idea of standard form. Okay, thank you.